Welcome, here I've got SONY Xperia 10 II and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it. And as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's change it because the Sony device gives us the other mode only to record the slow motion, so this is really cool here. And we can do it by tapping on this button here in the left corner at the bottom with mode. We have access here to all of the modes of this camera. One of this is the slow motion, so when we pick it, we can easily start recording the slow motion video by using this big red button. So let me start to show you how it looks like. And stop. And now let's go here to the right corner at the bottom. By tapping on this icon, we get quick access to the gallery, and this is the video, so play. And as you can see, this is how the slow motion video looks like on this device, and this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave that thumbs up.